Understanding the phrase, to be of one mind. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and idioms. Today, we're exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, to be of one mind. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add depth to your English skills. So, let's get started. To be of one mind is an interesting English idiom that means to agree completely or to have the same opinion about something. It's often used in situations where people are discussing issues, making decisions, or expressing their views. The beauty of this phrase lies in its emphasis on unity and agreement among people. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, to be of one mind, has been used in English for centuries. It likely originated from the idea that when people agree, their minds are united as if they were one single mind. This concept of unity and harmony is a common theme in many languages and cultures. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday English. 1. The committee was of one mind about the new policy. 2. Here, it means the committee members all agreed on the policy. 3. After discussing, we were of one mind that the trip should be postponed. 4. This shows a group decision made after discussion. 5. Despite their differences, the team was of one mind in wanting to win. 6. This illustrates unity in a team despite differing opinions. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. It's perfect for business meetings to describe agreement on decisions, casual conversations among friends sharing similar opinions, academic discussions where there's consensus on a topic. However, avoid using it in situations where there is clear disagreement or conflict, as it implies harmony and agreement. There are similar phrases you might hear, like, to be on the same page, to see eye to eye, to be in agreement. Each of these expresses a similar idea of agreement and understanding among individuals. And that's a wrap on, to be of one mind. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be both fun and enriching for your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!